Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be explaining about set, the last data type, and the operations that can be performed on the set. Let's start the tutorial. Mathematically, a set is a collection of items not in any particular order. A Python set is similar to this mathematical definition but with three additional conditions. The conditions are: the items or the elements in the set cannot be duplicates, and the second condition is the items in the set are immutable. That is, once the values in the set is defined, we can't change a particular value, but the whole set can be mutable, in the sense we can perform operations on the set but we can't modify individual items that are present in the set. And the last point is that, as I said earlier, set is an unordered collection, so it doesn't have any order, so there is no indexing for the items in this set, so that we can't perform any indexing or slicing operations on set. Let us see how to create a set with an example. Here set is specified using a pair of open and close braces or curly braces, and within that curly braces we are going to specify the list of items, and each item is separated by comma operator. Here the list of items can be of any data type. Let us see with an example. This is how we create a set. As I said in the conditions, let us see the first condition. As set does not allow any duplicates, let us see with an example. Here I am creating another set by name S1, and I am assigning some duplicate values. Let's say 1. Here we have created the set S1. If we try to print the set, we can see that 1 is present only once in the list. This is how set automatically eliminates duplicates from the set. Let us see the conditions 2 and 3 together. As I said, there is no indexing. Let us try to access the set S with an index value of 0. If we access, we get an error stating that set object does not support indexing. If we don't have any indexing, we can't be able to access a specific element in the set and update its value. So the condition second one, set items are immutable. We can't change it, but the whole set is mutable. That is, we can perform adding elements, removing elements, such kind of operations we can perform on set. Those operations I will be covering in the operations. Let's move on with how to create an empty set. If we simply create a variable, another variable, and assign it with a set of braces which creates an empty set, but if we check the type of S2, by default it says it is a dictionary, because the same syntax works for dictionary. But if we assign the values and check its type, we can see that it is a set. Let me show with an example. If we check the type of S2, we can see that S2 is a dictionary, whereas we have assigned values for S. If we check the type of S, we can see that S belongs to the data type set. Let us see the one more way in which we can create a set using the predefined method that is available in Python. Let us see how to create a set using the predefined functions set. Create one more variable and use the set function. Within this set function arguments, we are going to specify the set of values in a set of square brackets. This is the change when compared to without function and with function. Please be cautious while using a function to create a set. Here we are going to specify the set of values. If we hit enter, we have a set S3 now. Let us see the list of operations that can be performed on this set. Here are the list of operations starting with add. Add function is used to add an item into an existing set. Discard and remove both perform the same task. These two functions can be used to remove a specific item from the set. The task of pop function changes when we consider set. The task of pop function is to remove the item which is at the beginning of this set. Next, union operation. Union operation combines two set and produces a new set with distinct elements of the two sets, whereas intersection operation produces a new set which contains the common items of both the sets, whereas difference operation produces a new set which contains only the elements of first set and none from the second set. Let us quickly see each function with an example. Let us start with add. Let us try to add an element into the set S3. If we print S3 again, we can see that the string is appended into the set S3. Let us see the next function, which is either remove or discard. You can use any. Here I am using discard. And we need to specify the value that we need to delete from the set. Here I am trying to remove the string, and if we print the set S3 again, we can see that the string is removed successfully. In the similar manner, we can use the remove function. Let us see the next function, which is pop. If we apply pop function, we can see the first element from the set S3 is popped and it is getting printed on the screen. Let's move on to the next operation, which is union. Here I'm going to consider the set S and S3. Here we are going to perform the union operation either by using the symbols, or you can use the predefined functions. Let us see how to perform with symbols. Here I am going to perform union of S and S3, which is simply done by specifying the pipe symbol followed by the next set. We can see the result of union of S and S3. This we can perform in another manner, that is S1 union of S3. We can get the same result using either of two methods. In the similar manner, let's see how to perform intersection. Here intersection operation is done using the symbol ampersand. Let us see with an example. Since there are no common elements in the set S and S3, it returns a null set because there are no common elements. Let us see the difference operation. Here we are going to perform the difference operation using the minus symbol. We can see that the elements of set S1 is displayed on the screen. These are the operations and very basic operations that we can perform on this set. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video, I will be explaining about input and output statements used in Python. Get subscribed, and I will continue in the next video.